I'm really proud of the role the Labour Party has had in this government, because we have now moved from a basket case with no future and no hope in free fall. And that actually suits some of the ultra-left, because they thrive in chaos. They have to create societal breakdown for them to see this is revolutionary.
Why do you think so many people are leaning left then?
Well, we'll see. We'll see where they're leaning. People are hurting out there, and I understand that. But then people are rational when they come to vote. They'll say, well, what is in my best interest and my family's best interest? How can I have a sustainable public service that will provide decent health services, decent quality of education?
Do you think Sinn Féin and maybe the AAA groups like that can't provide that?
I think that certainly some of the ultra-left have no ambition to be in government ever.
What purpose do they serve?
They're professional agitators. They're campaigners, and that's the beginning and the end of their. They don't want to actually make real hard decisions, in my judgment. Sinn Féin are different. Sinn Féin, if you look Sinn Féin in the north, completely different to Sinn Féin in the south. They're an entirely populist party. So their critique, for example, of the Spring Statement was, one, it was the government trying to buy the election, and by the way, we're not spending enough.